Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating essentials: the exact video URL or ID and whether the channel or video is private or removed. Once done, restart the YouTube app or browser. This often clears a transient error. Then clear cache and cookies for YouTube. Com to remove corrupted data. Make sure to test the same link on a different device or a different network. This tells you if the problem is local to your device, your network, or upstream at YouTube. Next, you isolate network and account variables. Try a different connection, Wi-Fi, mobile data, or a VPN, because some ISPs, workplaces, or countries block content. Then sign out of YouTube and sign back in. Account issues or age restrictions can make a video unavailable. Make sure to look at browser console messages or the specific error code displayed. That information points to DNS, CORS, or server-side removals, so you know whether to change settings or contact support. To finish, perform targeted fixes. Flush DNS or switch to a trusted DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, then reboot your router. This clears routing problems. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, because they can block playback. If the video still shows unavailable and you think that's a mistake, contact the uploader or use YouTube's appeal tools to request review. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.